Welcome to the Swamp Fox Valley Railway. My name is Joe Macaluso, owner, operator, and CEO of the Swamp Fox Valley Railway. The Swamp Fox Valley Railway is a fictional railroad covering the steam diesel transition area of the 1950s to 1960s. The Swamp Fox Valley Railway got its motive power from railroads like the B&O, the Pennsylvania, Kansas City Southern, and Great Northern. And they maintained those color schemes, but just changed the road names. The Swamp Fox Valley Railway ended up taking over branch line service of the defunct Augusta and Charleston Railway. The Swamp Fox Valley Railway ends up having a 6-stall roundhouse, a 130-foot turntable, a car barn, coaling tower for its steam power, diesel fueling facility for its diesel power, industries, a yard at the town of Fox Sparrow, and the railroad is continuously expanding. I would like for you to all to follow us on YouTube, as we will be doing tutorials of the railroad. We will be building from scratch Craftsman kits. We'll be installing turnouts, undermounted slow motion switch machines, bridges, track, roadbed, ballast, and all. So please continue to check back from time to time and follow us on YouTube. Thank you very much for visiting the Swamp Fox Valley Railway.